If you want to get free stuff on Temu, I'll show you a simple method that actually works step by step. First, download the Temu app and create your account. Once you're in, go straight to the home page and look for the free gifts or earn credits section. This is where most of the rewards are hidden. Next, go to the items you want. Temu will usually let you pick multiple products that you can try to get for free through their promo system. After that, complete a task inside the app. This can include things like daily check ins, spinning reward wheels, or playing mini games like Fishland or Farmland. These activities help you earn points or credits towards your free items. Now, here's the key part: use the invite system. When you share your link with friends and they sign up, you earn more rewards or progress faster towards unlocking your free items. This is one of the main ways people get items without paying. You can also stack this with coupons and new user bonuses. A lot of users get welcome gifts or discounts just by signing up and placing their first order. Another tip: check the app daily. Temu regularly adds limited time offers, spin wheels, and flash deals where you can claim items for very low cost or even free if you complete the requirements. Once you complete all the steps, you'll be able to claim your items and have them shipped directly to you. And that's it. Just follow these steps, stay consistent, and you can start getting free stuff on Temu.